Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about Cardano ADA. I want to give you some reasons as to why I believe $8 can happen sooner than you think. So keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. If you guys also can so kindly ask questions down below. You guys can also like, subscribe. If you want more content, we've got a lot of content. I'm going to keep you up to date regarding prices. What I'm doing, I'm also working on a video. I'm going to be filming it very soon. I don't need too much prep, but I'm going to be giving you my portfolio. I'm going to reveal what I'm currently holding. So I've moved some things around, and I want to give you guys some of that as well. So right now we are Saturday, December 7th of 2024. We've been shattering records with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is now broken above 100K a few times. So I just did a video on this, but if you guys take a look on the week, we hit 100K for the first time. I remember that because it was late, at least my time. Then we've dipped down below, and then we've gone back to 100K. And then again today, while recording my last video, I've seen Bitcoin go from, what was it? Let's call it 99K to back to 100. So we're seeing this back and forth movement. And in my opinion, it's very exciting. So keep that in mind. Bitcoin is getting very volatile, and that's part of what we're going to talk about here. So that's a good thing, okay? If you guys are interested in picking up Bitcoin, I don't think it's too late. I think we're still going to have more of a leg up, assuming we get into 2025. This could be massive. We've got the Trump administration getting in there. They are pro-crypto. Basically, everybody who's getting involved is. We've got the Bitcoin spot ETF, several of them. And Bitcoin is simply getting more scarce as we go. And a lot of people have a lot of conviction. So this is big. So when we're talking about Cardano, what's important to remember is that Bitcoin leads the way. Bitcoin is going to suck in a lot of the liquidity, and then it's going to funnel into other alts. Typically, it goes Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. But now we're seeing, like we saw last cycle a bit, maybe memes will go up even before Bitcoin. So keep in mind that it's not going to repeat itself perfectly, but some things will be similar. So we've got the dominance of Bitcoin at 54%. I like that. It was, I think, almost 60% at one point, which is very interesting. But we want that to get lower. When Bitcoin dominance goes lower, meaning less liquidity is just in Bitcoin and it's spread across others, that's basically the dominance. So, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they account for, what is that? A little bit of moose math, 67%, almost 70% of all money put into crypto. So keep that in mind, right? So we've got Ethereum crushing, and XRP's doing very well. Could be a major player with, with banks and on and off ramps, right? We don't know. Cardano, $1.21, okay? So why do I think we could get much higher? Well, simply put, we haven't done much yet. We've gone not even back to all-time highs, okay? And when we were at all-time highs last time, Bitcoin was not at 100,000. Bitcoin has a lot more liquidity now. In Cardano, I would argue that not only that, but the fact that with Cardano, it's now working UTXO-wise with Bitcoin. You can now, with Tokyo wallet, I think it's Tokyo, you can now set up a wallet and have one seed phrase for both your Cardano and Bitcoin wallet. You now have smart contract capabilities. You've got Hydra heads where your nodes can perform tons of transactions at the same time. So many ads here. So I like seeing that. I like seeing all the developments, in particular, the scalability of Cardano, right? This is software. This is something that, you can own the token. You can own a piece of the network. Of course, you can delegate your ADA, earn a little bit of the remaining supply. but also you get to benefit what happens down the road. You've got governance, you've got Midnight that's coming out, which is a partner chain. You've got perhaps a little more influence in the next administration for crypto legislation going forward. And ultimately, I think the next time we see a big dip, Cardano is going to probably be a top 5 crypto. That's because of the smart contracts. That's because of the speed. That's because the thing just doesn't go down. I don't think Cardano's ever been down. So the uptime has been incredible. This is one of the best smart contract blockchains ever. So market cap 42 bill. I think we could get towards $500 billion. I mean, Ethereum's there right now. We could get to where Ethereum is. Okay, let's call that a 10x. Let's say that gets us near our $8 price point. Okay, so that would take us even further. So I think $8 is very possible. You guys comment down below. Do you think that's crazy? I believe that you should take profits if you're in profit along the way. So hopefully if you did buy at $3, a little bit at the peak of the last market, maybe you bought some more on the way down, which is what, that's when I started this channel. I started this channel during a bear market after just complete chaos. The FTX, the Terra Luna is just total madness. Cardano was at 250, went down to 25 cents. Now we're back up to $1.20. I believe that we're going to get easily to all-time highs, but you have to take profits along the way. So me personally, I think $4 to $5 is probably a good exit point, at least to start. But who knows where we could go in the future, right? The sky's the limit for Cardano, that's for sure. So right now, Cardano is number 8, should pass Dogecoin, but Dogecoin, man, it's just so fun, right? People still love that. But guys, comment down below. What do you think? Those are my main reasons here. What we're going to see, hopefully, is a little more springiness, which is what we're seeing, meaning volatility. We want that because the more volatile and the more aggressive Bitcoin becomes, the more energy it has, the more it could just blast off into crazy territories. But I really do believe that until Bitcoin does this again, where it goes sideways for a little while. So remember when it hit 70 and it went sideways? This is when ADA went nuts towards the end of this. So I think what's going to happen is Bitcoin's going to be around 100K. It's going to chill. Alts are going to go nuts. And then Bitcoin's going to go to like 150. Fast. Okay, so guys, that's everything I got there for you. Tangem right now has a massive sale. They reached out to me. They said, hey, we're going to give your guys 20% off all Tangem wallets, including the ring. So this is the Tangem ring. I lost it the other day. It was under my car seat. So I like this thing. One of the coolest ways to own your crypto, have a Tangem ring. But if you guys want on the cheaper end, 2-card set, $43, and you can get another set for half off. So use code Moose. This is a no-brainer. I have videos on this. I teach you guys how to set up this wallet. I love this hardware wallet. So it's so cool to be promoting a wallet that I use daily. On top of that, we've got links to ledgers, Trezors, OneKey, LEPAL, Kivo. And we also have links to NFTs for staking. And we have links to online courses. So here I've got a free Cardano mini course. This will take you to Udemy. And guys, with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below if the moose is right and give me your price prediction. Cheers.